Kaunti Komishena wa Kitui Kipchumba Ruto niwaumya ukan'yo muvyu enenthi ala mekwikon'ya na syiko sya kwothotheea uvungulu wa muuo mivakani ya kaunti ya Kitui na kaunti mutui ya Tana River aiweta kana mayiisa kuleela vatani wa kutungiia muuo mivakani isu ainena na andiki mama uvo kukonia usesei wa enenthi icio ni isu sya mivakani. Kipchumba ni waweta mawalanio ala manekiwe ni ndongo isya Kitui vamwe na mwandiki wa maundu ma muuo nimekuyaniwa na kukulia enenthi kwikala na muuo aiweta ulokukwatwa aitwaisya kana kuvanga syiko sya uvungulu wa muuo mivakani isu nukwose wa matambya mavyu makimiao. Nesmas Chalo alivoti.
Nzama yosesei kaunti ya Kitui itongoesya ni Kaunti Komishena wa kaunti ya Kitui Kipchumba Ruto ni matwaisya kikalo na kunenenisya undu mekwianisya maundu alama na akwateniwe makutumanya muuo mivakani ya kaunti ya Kitui na Tana River no kana kwete muuo katua maundu alama na akwateniwe ni vamwe kuvetangwa kwa ndithia ngamile kuma miundani ithekani sya enenthi kaunti ya Kitui.
They met at the office of the PS Internal Security and National Administration. He was the one chairing. Plus the Regional Commissioner's Coast and myself and the County Commissioner for Tana River. And we agreed on a raft of measures to be implemented under the supervision of the PS Internal Security. We have been given directives, and in Kitui we are the one observing those directives. What we urge the communities on both sides of the boundary, that is in Tana River and Kitui, is to maintain peace and tranquility.
Kipchumba nena nwaweta kana maundu alama nanenanisyo ni ndongo kuma Kitui vamwe PS wa maundu ma muuo wa nthini ni makwianiwa vala kwenda enenthi kwikala na muuo vate kulua nduthi aiweta mayiisa kwetikila mundu ona umwe kweta uvungulu wa muuo mivakani ya kaunti isieli.
Them live in harmony without violating the rights of the other one. The respect they should seek for pasture in a very orderly way, even water, but not to violate the boundaries, the integrity of the boundaries, respect the property and rights of others, like the farmlands. They should not graze on the farmlands. They should not enter into the compounds of the people with camels, with livestock, without the consent of the local community. As a security committee, we are going to provide security and also maintain law and order and make sure that there is tranquility and security and peace in those areas.
Kaunti Komishena yumya ukan'yo muvyu kwa wonde wethe avangite kana isilia kwenda kweta uvungulu wa muuo mivakani ya kaunti isieli.
And we are also vigilant as members of the security committee 24/7 to make sure that we protect the life and property of our people from violators. And any person who will violate the directive of the PS Interior will violate the law, the rights, the constitutional rights. We shall take appropriate action in accordance with the law, in accordance with the policies, with a view to protecting our people, maintaining law and order and peace and security. So we are also telling the people in Mutomo to be very calm, not to react to any aggression from and along the border, because the government is going to settle the matter once and for all.
Kini tino nguthu ya mwika kuma kaunti mutui ya Tana River kundikilela kisese cha polisi cha kona kaliti kila kiwodini ya mutha Kitui cha ithio na kwalula mawandiko ma serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui na kwikia mawandiko ma kaunti ya Tana River kiumanua vanene ni atongoi kuma Kitui. Televota vilingwa muvo Mutongo TV kuma Kitui. Neto Nesmas Chalo.